bằng tiếng Anh các bạn nhé. Tập trung này, tập trung.
Do you want to sing a song? Do you remember the song Two? Two from Human Two? Come on, let me sing it. I have no. I have two eyes. I have two ears. I have two lips and two legs to stand. I have two arms and two eyes that see. I have two of many things. Two of many things. I have two of many things that make me me. Okay. So, what do you have two of on your face? Number one, noses. Number two, two ears. Number three,